Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to share some new information I just saw that someone posted on Facebook that might actually help a lot of you guys out that own the new Acura TLX here. There's a common problem with a lot of them. I think you guys would like to know some information about it. So like I said, this is a very common problem. Fortunately, I haven't had any issues yet. Crossing my fingers on that one. But a lot of people, I don't know if it has to do with the RDX2 or MDX, but I know with the new generation TLX, a common issue that they're having is to do with the screen and then the speakers. So what people are saying are the speakers are popping. When you listen to music, they'll pop, and sometimes the screen here will go black, or it'll say network lost, just some error codes. But the main one is people says that the music will start having pops in the speakers. Common issue. They've known it's the, I think you pronounce it, the Acura connectors are faulty, so they have to replace those, and that usually remedies the situation. But there's a new service bulletin just released on the September 5th. So a few days ago. I'll put it up here on the screen. And this is for the exact same thing. So supposedly this will fix it the first time, because I've heard a lot of people that before they took it in and they replaced those connectors, sometime later it came back again. So this one hopefully is the permanent solution for it. But it's titled 2021 to 2023 TLX popping, crackling from the speakers, display blank. And the years it covers is the 2021 to 2023, and it's all trim. So it's not really specific for any trim. It covers all of them. So what it says the background is that the customer may experience a popping or crackling noise from the speakers, a blank display, or no sound from the audio system. They may also see a network loss message. So if you guys are having issues where you're hearing popping from the speakers, I would definitely take your car in and mention this service bulletin. The number is 23-030. They should know about it or find it in their system, but it should fix the problem. And then the second picture on the screen is just the information on how to do it. So more than likely your car's under warranty. Since it carries a 4-year warranty, they will be doing it, but the second page is just showing what they need to splice and replace, because it brings out the corrective action is install the Acura splice repair service cables and splice boxes. So more than likely you're not going to be dealing with this yourself, so you'll take it in, have it done under warranty. But I just wanted to share this information with you. If you maybe had the first one done, it's still happening, know that there's, hopefully this is the permanent solution for it, so they can fix it and it can be right from here on out, so you don't have the intermittent problems of the popping speakers and the blank display, because I know that can be very frustrating, especially spending as much as we do on these cars. So again, I just want to share the information with you. If you're having issues, definitely take it in, mention the service bulletin, and get it repaired right away. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Drop me a comment in the section below and let me know if you guys had issues with your speakers popping or cracking or anything like that, and maybe when you started experiencing it. Trying to see if it's like to do with mileage, year of the vehicle, all that kind of stuff, because it kind of seems like it's all random too. So okay, so I hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate the support, I really do, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.